Wildfire intensity has nearly tripled over the last 2 decades, according to Seneca. This has cost the U.S. economy around $1 trillion per year, upended thousands of lives, and destroyed wild spaces and communities. Seneca, like many other developers, believes drones and robotics can help solve this problem. In late 2023, Rain, a developer of aerial wildfire containment technology, and Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company specializing in advanced rotorcraft, completed test flights using an autonomous helicopter. The system carried and dumped water onto wildfires in the very early stages. The flight demonstration took place at Sikorsky's headquarters in Stratford, Connecticut. The optionally piloted Black Hawk helicopter flew in autonomous mode with Sikorsky safety pilots on board. Other companies, like Kodama Systems, are taking a more proactive approach by using technologies, including teleoperation and automation, to improve forest management operations. The company has developed an autonomous skidder to aid in forest thinning, which can help prevent wildfires from burning